Welcome back to my channel, the ultimate destination for everything on wheels. From cars to bikes, trucks to electric innovations, if it rolls, we're talking about it. If you love discovering the latest in automotive technology, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, so you never miss an update from the world of mobility. Today, we've got something truly unique, quirky, and futuristic, the 2026 TrailPod Camper Tricycle. Yes, you heard that right. A camper tricycle. It might sound like something from a sci-fi movie or a glamping enthusiast's fever dream, but the TrailPod is very real, and it's stirring up a lot of buzz in the adventure and sustainability communities. So let's dive into what makes this futuristic trike camper hybrid so fascinating. At first glance, the TrailPod doesn't look like anything you've seen before. It's part tricycle, part microcamper, and 100% designed for the slow-living, eco-conscious traveler. Built primarily for solo or duo explorers who love to camp off the beaten path, it combines the freedom of cycling with the convenience of having a compact camper always ready at the back. Let's talk about the structure. The TrailPod features a three-wheeled electric-assisted cycle up front, designed to offer stability and ease of pedaling, even with the weight of the camper behind. It's got a lightweight aluminum alloy frame, making it durable yet maneuverable. The trike section includes a comfortable upright riding position, ergonomic handlebars, and integrated solar charging on the roof canopy. Now, the camper pod itself is where things get interesting. The rear pod, which forms the main camping compartment, is fully enclosed and weatherproof. It's made with insulated composite panels, keeping the interior cool in the summer and warm in colder temperatures. When parked, the pod opens up into a surprisingly spacious microcabin. Inside, you'll find a convertible sleeping area that doubles as a seating nook, a collapsible desk for remote workers, LED lighting powered by solar, and built-in storage compartments. Some variants even include a mini kitchenette setup with a water tank, sink, and induction cooktop powered by the onboard battery system. It's like a tiny home, on three wheels. What about power? The TrailPod is equipped with an electric assist motor system that can provide pedal support up to 20 miles per hour, depending on local regulations. A 1.5 kilowatt-hour lithium battery pack powers the motor and the onboard electronics, including lights, USB charging ports, and small appliances. The roof-mounted solar panels can recharge the system during daylight hours, making it ideal for off-grid camping and multi-day road trips without relying on charging stations. One of the most impressive things about the TrailPod is how it blends sustainable living with mobility. You can explore nature without leaving a heavy carbon footprint. And with more and more people choosing alternative lifestyles, like van life and bikepacking, this camper trike feels like a perfect fit for the modern adventurer who wants to travel light and live simple. The TrailPod isn't built for speed or long highway trips, and that's the point. It's meant for trails, parks, bike routes, and countryside explorations. It's a vehicle for slow travel, for enjoying the journey, not just the destination. And if you're someone who works remotely, loves to camp, and enjoys the outdoors, this could be your new dream machine. Now, let's talk practicality. The entire setup is compact enough to be stored in a standard garage and doesn't require a special license to operate in most areas. With an average range of 40 to 60 miles on a single charge, it's perfect for weekend getaways or minimalist living on the go. And with the rise of cycling infrastructure in cities and rural areas alike, there's more room than ever to explore. The 2026 model also comes with improved suspension for better ride comfort, upgraded braking systems, and modular accessories like awnings, roof racks, and even a towable cargo pod for extra gear. It's not just a camper, it's a lifestyle toolkit. Of course, it's not for everyone. If you're looking for speed, luxury, or the ability to haul heavy loads, this might not be your thing. But if you value minimalism, sustainability, and adventure, and don't mind pedaling a little, the TrailPod could be the ultimate expression of freedom on three wheels. Pricing for the TrailPod starts at around $8,500, depending on the configuration and options you choose. It might sound steep for a trike, but for a mobile home office camper combo that never needs fuel and charges itself, it starts to make a lot of sense. So what do you think? Would you hit the road with a TrailPod tricycle camper? Is this the future of minimalist travel, or just a novelty idea for the ultra-adventurous? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. That's all for today's ride here on channel. If you enjoyed this look at the 2026 Trail Pod Camper Tricycle, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming content. We've got more exciting vehicles, crazy concepts, and innovative rides coming your way. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and as always, ride safe.